Hey guys, what's up? My name is Namit. Hope you all are doing well. So today our topic is how to build an awesome UI using constraint layout. Okay, so first of all, this is a Android developer side and it's an article build a responsive UI with constraint layout. I'll put this link into description. So first of all, what is constraint layout? Constraint layout means restriction, limitation, or I want to call condition as well, like some condition or some restriction that you will do this thing or something, but with this restriction. Okay, you have this restriction kind of stuff. Okay, so let me tell you the advantages of constraint layout. Uh, like so if when you use a linear layout and frame layout or relative layout, you use nested layouts. Like you have one linear layout, and in this linear layout you are also building one relative layout, and you also have a frame layout in that relative layout, and list goes on and on and on. Okay, so this nested layout, what is the bad effect is it will gonna make your UI unresponsive, or you can say it will gonna hang, or you can say it will gonna resource consuming UI because you are using nested layouts and very complex layout. But with the help of constraint layout, you can make this process easy, because you don't need to use any nested layouts. You will use only a parent layout, and into that you will gonna use only uh, text views and image view and buttons and like that. You don't need any other layout now. Now let me show you how to do that. First of all, this is app module. You will have to implement this dependency. I'll put this into description. So this is a new project, constraint layout tutorial, and this is my activity. And I have just used a background here, and check this out, constraint layout. Okay, nothing complex for now. Now let's start building something. Now suppose if I want to make a effect like frame layout here in constraint layout, I want to build a text view which will gonna show here in the center of my screen. How to do that? Wrap content. Hello. Text color. Let's give it white. Text size 20 sp and text style bold. Okay. Now see. Now check this out. What is going? The view is not constraint because I am in constraint layout. It only has design time position. It will jump to 00 at runtime unless you add some constraint. So let's add some constraint. That means restrictions. So I want to put this text view here on the bottom of the screen. So what I'll do, bottom to bottom of parent. That means system is giving the you know system is telling this text view that go to bottom of parent. Parent is this, and this is match parent. This is consuming, or you can say taking complete screen, this constraint layout. Now this text view will gonna go bottom to bottom of parent. So parent complete bottom to bottom this part. Okay, now top to top parent. This means this text view will come in the center. It is in center because the constraint is pulling it from top and from bottom as well with equal force. So imagine something, someone is pulling you from left and right with equal force. You will not go anywhere. You will gonna stand in the center of those forces. This is same happening here. Okay, And if I'll remove the bottom part, bottom line, then check this out, because now it is only being constrained to top. Okay, same with the and start parent. And let me remove this for now. Check this out. Okay, easy enough. Now let's build one image view also. IC launcher. Okay, now it is here. I want to make something like, let's create some UI like a list view, like we create something in recycler view adapter. Okay, so what I'll gonna do, let's delete this line. Now check this out, what is happening here. Okay, now give it some padding because it will gonna look cool. Now just one issue is, it is going to start from here, from parent, and it's ending here. But what we want this text view to come here. Okay, now just what I'll do, id image view, and let's remove this line and do this start to end of. Okay, and let's remove this also. Okay, now they look, this is wrap content and it's eating this much of space. Now this is you can say end of or right off of related layout. This is same like this. Previously we used something like frame layout, now it is something like related layout. Okay, so this is consuming this much of space. But suppose if you want this hello to, you know, take this much of space, I mean end of this image view to complete the end of this screen. So let me tell you how to do that. mm, 0 dp and end to end parent. Now check this out. Now let's give it some margin. Okay, now check this out guys. We have this and this. You can use this something like this, and you have already using this in your adapters. Okay, now build something little more complex. mm, 200 dp, 200 dp. Okay, and let's make it in center as well, parent, and of parent. Okay, let's give it some top 20 dp. Now check this out. I gave this one 20, but it is not showing any margin here because it's in constraint. I didn't told this image view to go to top area. Now see this, now it's checking the margin. Okay, but what I want to show, image 2. Okay, now what will happen, see, I want to, I have this big image. Now I want my this small image and this hello text to come below here. So this is like we use in linear layout, vertical. mm, let's do this thing, top to bottom of id image 2. Okay, put same thing here as well. Let's give top 20 dp and let's remove here, and let's give 20 dp here as well, so it will be 28 dp. Now check this out guys. Okay, now one more thing. mm, Suppose you have one more text view which is like okay, but what I want this text to go on bottom to bottom parent, and do not use this part, and I want it to start parent and center and background white and text color, let's do black. Now check this out. Look, we can build very complex layout by using this only, these 4 or 5 things. This is basics of constraint layout. Okay, and one last thing I want to show, like we are using start to end off. Okay, same like we can use start to end off, end to start off. Okay, it's just opposite of this. And same like we are using top to bottom off, we can also use bottom to top off. Now let me show you bottom to bottom to top of this. Now see this. Now if I'll remove this part and let's give it match parent and gravity center. Look, now what is happening, this is my text in bottom because of bottom to bottom parent, and this text view is on top of this one because we have bottom to top of this. Okay, so guys, with the help of this, I mean, you can use many complex layouts, and constraint layout also have many other things, but those are little complicated. But for now, I my you know my just I was just wanted to create this tutorial just to show you how powerful is constraint layout with some basics. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.